Awesome, great. Well, Thomas, thank you so much for taking the time off. And let me take this opportunity to just kind of give you a little bit of an insight in terms of what we've built. It's a technology software which we prepare for content publishers, content marketers specifically to achieve the lower funnel objectives that they're struggling with by enhancing engagement, increasing reader retention, and optimizing conversions on content. So I will actually share my screen at this point just to be able to show you what that looks like. And I think you already have an idea because we shared the tech video slightly early. But say one of the publishers that we are working with is a conversation, and their objective was to increase their engagement and recirculation within content. So the 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 tech that we have, the solution that we prepared, renders a single line of code when pasted in your CMS, understands about 24 different hotspots within the content, right? And then renders itself um, in a very interesting UI right here. And let me just refresh this. I think it's not refreshed again. And you can see how quickly it loads as well. It kind of gives, so you don't actually feel that your experience is out of place. But the reader is expected to engage with it in some fashion or the other, receives the feedback, and then it does a very interesting animation to give you the CTAs that are important for your business goal, where you can continue your journey without having to leave the page, or in this case, you go to the next article. Now,
Oh, cool.
yeah, this software can be customized for any business goal. So it might be for subscriptions, newsletter signups, affiliate links, sponsored contents, whatever have you. But the idea was to help publishers first get the power of AI, because that's been in the market for some time now. But instead of just focusing on how Chat GPT can produce fantastic content and you can distribute it outside, we are focusing mostly on the middle of the funnel, where the people who are coming to your website who you have no idea about, and you see that the anonymous users do not really give in that data. We as a software company can actually help collect all of that data, segment that out, and help you target them better in one fashion or the other, right? So we thought that depending on the kind of value system that the publishers are working with IMA at the moment, um, we could help them with newsletter signups in this fashion. We can help them with registrations and move the users from move them down in the loyalty funnel. Would love to answer any questions if you have at this moment.
It seems really fascinating. I think really the key question that I've got is, if any of our members were to get in touch with you, do you sort of walk through how they can best utilize? Do you sort of consult with them and help them in a bespoke way understand how they can use this for their organization?
Absolutely. So one thing that we are doing is that besides the bespoke solution that they want to create, we will definitely help them onboard onto the portal. Our North Star metric is that we are creating a portal to be self-service, meaning that it needs to be as easy as me using an iPhone, for example, right? So that's something that, because I'm a non-technical guy, I don't know how to code. So everything is being done keeping that in mind, that if I can create a campaign using a very technical software, then everybody should be able to. So we are offering that as a value proposition as well, saying that it's as easy as clicking a few clicks. And let me show you another aspect of our portal, which will make it slightly easier to understand what I mean by how easy it is. And I am sharing my screen right now. Here you are. So this is what the portal currently looks like. This is a demo portal. We are just working on releasing that. But what I mean by saying that it is super easy is when you go on to making a campaign, we've created something called as replicate the winners, which basically means that a lot of publishers who are the enterprise level publishers who've already done a lot of different marketing campaigns and have achieved certain results on their subscription campaigns, on their registration campaigns, sharing campaigns, and whatnot. We've studied all of those, broken them down, and created a very specific template that can be copy pasted on your domain. So say, for example, if I just type in The Guardian, and this is because we're basically using this for a little while. I think this is still in production. But the idea would be that you will see, let me just open this up for you. because it's still working in demo. You will see that the entire template here, where there are the different goals that can be done and whatnot, this is already pre-filled for you.
Nice.
So
Yeah.
everything gets done automatically, and all you have to do is after, and this is me going through the entire process in front of you, being that if you wanted to create a campaign from scratch, and you can choose your segments, you can create a separate segment as well. We can pull out the data from your current CDP if you are using any, and analyze layered on top of that, and give you the customization on what is it that you're looking forward to doing. I think, unfortunately, I won't be able to show you the templates here because the production team is, I think, still working on the portal. But
Yeah.
as soon as you are able to customize this, all you have to do is hit next, and it generates a single line of code. And that needs to be pasted in your CMS, whether that is WordPress, whether that is Shorthand, or any of the other major content management softwares that you might be using.
Brilliant. Okay. I think that's going to be really exciting for our members. We will try and do a follow-up, but we would encourage everyone to get in touch. Bridgehead Media, I think Independent Media Association members, you're looking to increase your income, you're looking at a way of reaching your audiences and getting them on board, getting them on your newsletter, getting them to sign up to subscriptions. This is going to be a really, really useful way to do that, especially as a lot of the things that we use, like MailChimp, are just way too clunky and too difficult. So that looks fantastic. Thank you so much for letting us know. And we'll put links in the description to your organization to get in touch, and encourage everyone to do so. Thank you for your time today.
And Thomas, let me just mention as the last point as well. I've heard that a lot of media tech companies do tend to give these solutions, but for a very high price. What we have done is we've kind of cut that down completely. So what we are offering is a £99 trial, which offers it for 8 weeks or 100,000 impressions, whichever is sooner. Post which we give a base price after followed by a success-based fee. So that means that you are never actually bowed down by operational cost. So it makes sure that it's a win-win situation in whatever goal that you're looking forward to.
Brilliant. Yeah, that's great. Performance-based. Yeah, it sounds absolutely fantastic. Okay, great. Thank you so much. And sorry for it being so rushed. It was a crazy day. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the members will be really interested. So thank you for your time.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your time as well, Thomas. Have a great day.
Cheers.